Alright, today we're going on a road trip. We're going to be looking at a 79 Firebird. I like to call them fire chickens.
No, they're fire dragons.
No, they're just fire chickens. Used to have a couple of Firebirds or chickens, whatever you want to call them. We had a 67 and a 82 years ago, but we're gonna go take a look at this one and maybe convert it into a 77.
Awesome.
If you know what anything about Firebirds, that's one of the most popular years. So we're gonna go take a road trip about 3 hours up north, take a look at it, see if it's worth getting, and if it is, well, gonna go ahead and get it.
Blue dot's hauling ass.
Okay. I think we're almost there. Should be coming up on the right hand side here a little bit. I think right there is where the car is. Yep, it is. This must be the driveway. Well now, life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna find. Because it was supposed to be 79, but it's not. It's a 77. Yeah, I think I've seen this car in the movie. Yeah, well, it's a little rough. It's got some dents and rust. Maybe door skin there. Yeah, it's gonna need a quarter over here. Yeah. Floor pans on that side ain't too bad. This side? Hey. Yeah. Yeah, you can see that. But we open the hood here. It is a Pontiac 400. That's interesting. I was expecting a 301. But that's right. That's a 400. It's got power brakes. How about that? Ain't got no battery. Huh? Well, it's got the mirrors. It's got a few interior pieces. Yeah. Oh, crushed velvet seats. Luxurious. Yeah. Even cruise control. How about that? And a 4-speed. Yeah. Well, the features kind of make up for the roughness, but yeah, even a trailer hitch. How about that? Got the original rims. Let's see. It's got all 4. I don't know. Well, yes it does. I think we got us a movie car. Yeah. Little rough. About as rough as a stucco bathtub. But it's all here. Kinda. Yeah. Yeah, it's here. Grill. Somebody put some weird little things on there, but yeah. I kind of like it. Yeah, the wife really loves them fire chickens. Probably could get a shaker hood for it. Yep. I don't know. It's not what I expected. That rocker, it needs some TLC. But I think because it's a 77, it's gonna be worthwhile.
See you in Moss Point, fire chicken, or rather fire jagging.
Okay. It's an awesome little car.
It is. Now we're headed back home to talk to our son-in-law to help us get it back to the shop. So, after 4 of us pushing this thing in the shop, we made it. It was really hard to do, but we made it. And there it is, my fire dragon. Yay! Now comes all the work. We gotta clean it and check it out. See what's going on. This is cool. Very cool. It is finally home. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.